Hello everyone, this is Ben Mayo, your Vice President of Global Sales Systems, back with another training on the Mannatech Plus desktop application. Today I want to talk with you about the to-do aspect of the Mannatech Plus platform. The to-dos are set up in this section of the drop-down. If you go over to prospecting, and then you'll see the to-do tool. So if you're looking for a way to create tasks for yourself to do reminders or follow-up so that you know what to do in 2 days from now, 5 days from now, you can use this to set up tasks for yourself. To do this, you would go down to Add a Task. Click on that, and then the person that you want to follow up with or who this task should be assigned to, you type their name in. They do need to be in your contacts already, so you would select the person that's in your contacts there. And then let's say I want to do a follow-up call with Ben. And then you assign the date that you want that to show as due in the to-do area. So I'm going to make it for middle of next week. And then you need to make sure that you click Save. You'll see now it's in this section where you can go in and edit it or complete it. So it's available here in the to-do tool area, or you can go over to the home. When you log in, then you'll be able to see the tasks here. Once a task has been completed, you can click on this right here and it will move it off of your desktop. So it removes it and files it away. These are completed tasks. Now I only have the new tasks to follow up with that are on my dashboard. But if I go back over to the to-do tool, you'll see that they have not disappeared, that you just need to show all, and that they have now been moved over here with a complete next to them so that you know that they have been taken care of. Also, while we're logged into the to-do platform, I wanted to show you the follow-up section. The follow-up section is pretty cool. This is tied back to all of the media that you have sent through the platform. This will show you if a prospect or a potential recruit has viewed the content that you've sent them. It will show up here with a green if they have and a red if they have not. With this information, then you can create a to-do. If you'd like to set a reminder when to follow up with them, then you can create a to-do. And it's just like the task below. Or you can jump over here to the contacts information and you can see everything activity-wise that you have attempted to reach out or to make contact with this person. You can see all the activity through the Mannatech Plus platform that has taken place. So this is a really good overview of how a contact has progressed through the Mannatech Plus platform. Once again, I'd like to ask you to leave feedback or comments below. If there's a training that you'd like to see, please make that suggestion. I'd be happy to put a training together on that aspect of the Mannatech Plus system. Hope you have a great day.